Now let's draw this one, and I will start from here. So let's see what we have here. So you can see the height of this one is 1 and the length is 16. So let's draw a rectangle. Now I'm going to draw a line from this midpoint to that, and the length of this one is 10. So I will go here 10, then press enter. Now after that I will move in this direction, and you can see the length of from this point to this point is 4, which is half of 8. Press enter and then press enter again. Now I need to create an offset of this line which is at the top, so I'll select this offset and I'll set the offset distance of 0.8. Press enter, and there I am having my offset. Now I need to decrease the length of this one, because if you see from this mid to this, the length is 3. So I will select this one and I will click here, and I can press the tab key and I'll set the distance to 3 and then press enter. Now I'll press escape. Now I'm going to draw a line from this point to this point. I will just simply join these 2 points. So let's join these and then press enter. Now I'm going to create here arcs, and I will simply go there and I will choose this one, which is start end radius. So I will start from here, I will end here, and after that I will specify the radius, and you can see the radius is 12. So I will start here, I will click here, and I will specify the radius, which is 12. There we have our arc. Now we need to just simply select these. Let me just simply select these and mirror it to the other side. And let me delete this line from here. Now let's focus on this part here. So for that I'm going to draw a rectangle. And you can see the width of this rectangle is you can see here, which is 0.6, and the height of that rectangle is 3.8. So I will draw it here. Press enter. Now I will simply explode this, and then I will delete this line and then delete this line from here. Press the delete key, and then I'm going to use the fillet in order to create this arc here, or semicircle here. So let me tap fillet and then select these 2 objects just like this. Press enter to repeat the command. Click here and then here. Now what I have to do is I have to draw a line of length 5 unit. So let's draw a line of 5 unit from this midpoint, 5, then enter, and then press enter. Now I have to move this one from exactly from the center to this, and for that you can just simply go to the object snap, and you can turn on this geometric center, and now you can just simply move this one. You can select, let me just simply select these first, move it, and select this geometric center. You can see you're not getting the geometric center. Why you are not getting the geometric center? It is just because of the fact that these lines are not joined, so we have to join them. So let's simply select this and then join it, press enter. Now if you move this one, let me just simply select this, and now if you try to move this one, you can see now we are getting the geometric center. So let's simply select this and move it here, and let's simply delete this line from here. Now we have to create these 3s as well, and for that maybe you can just simply create, or you can just simply copy this one and then scale it down. So I will select this and create a copy of that. 1, 2, and then 3. So basically you can see you can specify the distance as well. So first of all, let me just simply scale it down, and then I will specify the distance. So let me just simply select this and scale it down, and you can see, let me show you how you can scale it. You can see the radius of this one is 0.24, so I will use that one as a reference. So scale, I will click on this point, and then I will go to reference, and then I will go here, and then I will click here again. Now you can set the reference. So basically the radius of this one is 0.24, so 0.24, and enter. Now what we have to do is we have to fix this one. Then we have this is 0.18. Again, you can select this, scale it, specify the base point, which is here, and then press R for reference, and then you have to set the length. You can see the length is 0.18. So 0.18, just keep this thing in your mind. Scale, and this will be our base point. Click on reference, click here and here, and then 0.18, and then press enter. Now we have another one which is of 0.12. So let's do that again. Scale, press enter, specify the base point, click on reference, click on this point and then this point, and now you can set the radius, which is 0.12, and then press enter. Now what you have to do is you have to move all of these with this geometric center of this. So you can just simply select it, move, select this one, move here, and select this one, move here, just like this. Now you can see the distance from this point to this point of the smaller one having a distance of 3 units. So you can just simply select this and move it, click on the geometric center, and then in this direction the unit is the 3. So 3, enter. Then we have 2, then we have 1. So you can simply select this. Now all we need to do is just to simply mirror this one on the other side. So simply select this, mirror it. You can use the midpoint like this. So this is our final drawing.